Top 10. Best wake surfboards. Incredibly rewarding 1. Wakeboarding combines with surfboarding to give you the ultimate summer experience. Number 10. Hyperlite Byerly Action BWF. Wakesurfers. This gives the board a ton of stability, allowing riders to gain confidence in the sport. This board isn't designed from layered foam but rather one perfectly sculpted handmade foam slab. This makes the board incredibly durable, helping to last you year after year. Tri-fin system. Single piece of foam. 3-staged rocker. Number 9. Hyperlite Landlock Wakesurfer. The Hyperlite Landlock features a layered glass construction that looks great on the water. The platform of this board has lots of surface area that combine with the rolled edges to provide the board with maximum stability. A tri-fin setup means this board is customizable to suit the needs of the rider. Easy ride. 1-year warranty. Tri-fin setup. Number 8. Phase 5 Prop Wake Surfboard. Over the years the Race has been one of the top wake surfboards on the market. This year's has seen it have a smaller shape with a more compact design. If you love riding the nose, this is the board for you. The lines and shape give you full reign of your board. Move around where you like without nosediving. High quality build. Lightweight. Allow your skills to grow and mature. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best wake surfboards or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. Hyperlite Gromcast Wakesurfer. Hyperlite Gromcast is a top performer. New riders will feel comforted with the board's 1-year manufacturer's warranty. This progressive style board has a dual concave base that combines perfectly with the rocker line to give you a board that is incredibly fast. 2 EVA foam pads. 1-year warranty. Tri-fin system. Number 6. Ronix Skurfer Barracuda Wakesurf, top manufacturer of wake surfboards. The Modella Fish Skim has been designed to be as thin as possible. Ronix does this by utilizing a stiff outer shell which gives the rider the most control. You won't have to wait for your board to catch up to your body, giving you even more time on the wake. Ultra lightweight. 3-fin system. Designed for quick response. Number 5. Ronix Koal Classic Fish. Ideal for beginners, the wider nose design provides added stability, ensuring you get up with ease. More experienced riders will enjoy the board's faster rocker line, allowing you to soar through the water. Sitting high out of the water makes this board ideal for almost any wake. Tri-fin system. High quality finish. Comfortable arch support. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best wake surfboards or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Hyperlite Broadcast. Ride Blank is the board for you. This surf-style board allows you to take on the waves just as you would with a regular surfboard. Being compression molded allows there to be a large surface area despite the board's shorter size. The tri-fin system gives you versatility to enjoy a ride with one. Tri-fin system. Double edge rails. Large surface area. Number 3. Airhead Fish Skim Style delivers another exceptional board with their fish board. Being a skim style board, this board is more geared towards riders who have more experience in the sport. While the board features a full shape with a fishtail setup, which is forgiving to beginners, allowing someone with less skill to start on the board. Skim style board. Maximum traction deck. Double fin setup. Number 2. Driftsun 50/50 surfboard on today's market. This board allows you to get up and stay up with ease. A great board to build your confidence on. The Driftsun 50/50 wake surfboard will build your confidence, giving you a stable ride with minimal effort. The surf style design of this board closely mimics tri-fin system. Surf rope included. Diamond cut EVA pad. Number 1. Driftsun Throwdown, perfectly suited for beginner and intermediate riders. This is a board that riders can grow into with a completely customizable setup. Beginners will love how comfortable the board is and how easy it is to learn off. Riders with more experience will enjoy the high speeds. High quality materials. Customizable 4-fin setup. Tough EPS core. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best wake surfboards or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.